Lukewarm. Slightly warm, not very hot or very cold. It can also describe weak or unenthusiastic feelings. His lukewarm reaction showed he wasn't very interested. The food became lukewarm after sitting out for a while. Obscene. Offensive, inappropriate, or morally unacceptable, especially in a sexual way or in language. The website was blocked for showing obscene material. She was offended by the obscene joke. Spurious. False, fake, or not genuine. She received a spurious message pretending to be from the bank. They dismissed the argument as spurious. Courteous. Polite, respectful, and well-mannered toward others. The staff were very courteous and helpful. It is important to be courteous in public places. Dingy. Dark, dirty, or dull in appearance. The old curtains made the place feel dingy. She didn't like the dingy atmosphere of the cafe. Obsolete. No longer in use or outdated, often replaced by something newer. Many traditional methods are becoming obsolete. 'His old phone became obsolete after the new model came out. Jaded. Feeling tired, bored, or lacking enthusiasm, often after having too much of something. They were jaded with the repeated excuses. I felt jaded after watching too many similar movies. Obstinate. Being stubborn and refusing to change your opinion or behavior. The child became obstinate when told to clean his room. They faced an obstinate opponent in the debate. Heinous. Extremely evil, shocking, or terrible, especially referring to a very bad act. The movie showed a heinous villain. Such heinous behavior should never be tolerated. Soggy. Wet, soft, and often unpleasant because it has absorbed too much liquid. His shoes were soggy after walking through puddles. The paper turned soggy when water spilled on it. Devastated. Feeling extremely shocked, sad, or emotionally overwhelmed. They were devastated by the sudden loss. I was devastated when my plans fell apart. Seething. Feeling extremely angry but trying to keep it hidden or controlled. They were seething over the unfair decision. I could tell he was seething despite his calm voice. Belligerent. Hostile, aggressive, or eager to argue or fight. She gave a belligerent response to the criticism. They tried to calm the belligerent crowd. Treacherous. Dangerous, unstable, or likely to cause harm, often involving betrayal or hidden risk. The snowy road became treacherous during the storm. The path through the mountains was narrow and treacherous. Treacherous. Someone who is untrustworthy, deceitful, or likely to betray others. The story featured a treacherous character who betrayed everyone. They warned him about the treacherous colleague in the office. Trivial. Something that is unimportant, minor, are not worth much attention. He ignored the trivial mistakes and focused on the bigger picture. The problem may seem trivial, but it still needs attention.